I am under shock. It's a little bit of drama for me because let me show you. I could not imagine. I could not imagine. Do you see, guys? Do you see this, guys? Oh my God. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm bag passionate, French bag collector, fashion lover, and overall Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do video both in English and French, my mother language, so please enjoy them. And if you love this kind of content, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Yes, guys, okay, it's just the end of the day, and in fact, I was picking my kids at school, and we were walking, and I got my bag on myself, and I don't know, I've got a strange feeling. I put my eyes down, and my bag just began to fall, and I take it, and I saw this. So guys, as you can see, in fact, this part of the stitching went away, completely broke, and in fact, the zip is no more held. This part is still stitched, as you can see, but it's a drama, guys. It's a drama. I don't like this, but look, you see, it's not easy because it's black on black. And yes, you see, I am shocked. I am really shocked. I'm shocked because, first of all, this is my Longchamp Pliage XS Galop, and I just unboxed it on my channel 1 month ago. I bought it in August, you know that, but I didn't use it. It stayed in the bag. And because I was planning to use it in this period, and so I unboxed it and I use it, but you know, guys, I'm using a lot of other bags, so I'm not using it all the time. So I'm surprised about that because it's a brand new bag, first. Secondly, it's the very first time I've got such situation with a Longchamp pliage. For those who do not know me, guys, I am mainly a Longchamp collector, and I collect Longchamp pliage bag. I've got a bunch of them. Oh, by the way, I do not forget, but I will do an update video about my collection of pliage. And this is the very first time I see such a thing. I know people who do not collect bags and who do not love bags won't understand my feelings because, oh my God, it's so, it's a drama for me. Look at this, I could not believe how this happened. And the third thing is that, guys, you know me, when I'm using such small bags, I do not carry a bunch because I've got bigger bags when I want to carry a lot of things. So I do not overcharge my bags. And I do not understand what happened. Of course, I know the stitches maybe were not so good as usual. I don't know. So yes, what I have done. So I went back home. So as I explained, I was working, I saw this, so we fastly go back home. I very fastly, sorry, I'm shocked, sorry. It's difficult to speak for me. I keep my smile, but guys, I could not believe what is happening. And so I called my boutique, but you have to know something. I wanted to make a video about this, but I will explain now the situation. You know, I'm living in Provence and I've got 2 Longchamp boutiques, either in Avignon and the other one is Aix-en-Provence, because I'm living between. And the fact is that the Longchamp Avignon boutique is for the moment closed because they are making a brand new, they rebuilt it, And I just learned that, enfin, I know that this Longchamp boutique was in fact a franchise. You know, it was not a Longchamp proper boutique. And now Longchamp wants this boutique properly. So the whole team went away because in fact the person who was the director of this Longchamp boutique also owned 2 other boutiques, not Longchamp one, just boutique that are selling several brands of bags. So now, soon in Avignon, it will be a new Longchamp boutique with a brand new team. So I called my Longchamp salesperson because they will still sell Longchamp items, and she told me 2 things. It's a drama. First of all, the access to the Longchamp repair is closed from this week on Tuesday until January. You hear me well? So during more than a month they will be closed. So for the moment they could not send my bag to be repaired. So this is the sad news. They will take my bags, but I have no clue what will happen, how long the bag will stay in repair. So guys, I will keep you informed because the second thing I learned is that I am invited to a cocktail to see their new other boutique. So I keep finger crossed I can go because it's an evening during the week, and next week I am really busy. So I don't know. I will keep you informed. So yes, the things that I can say is that it will go into repairs, but they will ship it, but the Longchamp repair will only carry this bag begin January, and I don't know how long it will take to repair it. I do hope, I keep fingers crossed they can repair it, or they make any change, I don't know. I repeat, this is the very, very first time such a thing happens to me. Yes, you can see here. Normally it's like this. It should be like this, you see, it should be like this, and in fact it's like this, you see? It's completely, the stitch is broke and it's open like this. For those who do not know me, I pamper my bags, so I just think it was a little default, and because, oh my god, yes, you see? All the stitches, clack, 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 it's all destroyed. Okay, sorry for making this video under my stress, and it's hard for me to speak. I hope you apologize me, but oh my, I could not believe it. It's a drama. So I think I will go to the boutique and let them the bag, even if I know that I won't see it before next year. I keep you informed, guys. Please write me in the comment section for those who already have the bag. Did you spot some problems with the heel of the bag? I would love to hear you about this. As I just said, I keep you informed, guys. Thanks for your support, and we keep in touch. And of course, no worry, more videos are coming on other subjects. It's a drama. For me, it's a drama because I love this bag so much. I really love it. It's practical. I use it, and I can say it's a quite good bag. So I don't know what is happening. And okay, I stop this video here. I stop this video and I keep you in touch. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care, and we see us in the next video.